Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. We have a new major update for Wan 2.1 model, and it is related to Controlnet video that allows you to transfer your motion from a reference video, but also you can change its style based on this Wan 2.1 model, which is one of the best model for video generation. So today I'm very excited to show you my custom workflow that has two major groups. The first one, it will allow you to create your image, and based on that image and the reference video, it will create a new type of video with the same motion and the new style. So if you are interested of this type of results, make sure to follow my steps. Okay, before you start, make sure to download my workflow. Then just go to the file and drop and drag this workflow. Here you can see that we have many groups, but I will try to simplify everything for you, and you will see it is very easy to use this workflow. Before doing that, make sure that you update your ComfyUI, and to do that, just go to the manager here, update ComfyUI. You can also update everything in order to avoid every related error to the nodes. Then here you can see that you have all the necessary requirement link for your models, starting with the Wan 2.1 models and its requirement. But also we have this Ghibli LoRa, the Juggernaut model from STXL, and the Controlnet Union Pro Max. And yes, we're gonna use all the models that comes from Controlnet and STXL models, which according to my test give me the best results in order to change the style of one image compared to Flux, of course. So when you download everything, you can see here the location of every model, and you don't necessarily have to bother yourself too much with this. Once everything you have installed and placed in the right folder, make sure to restart your ComfyUI, and you are good to use this workflow. So now I will show you how you can use this workflow, but put in your mind that it is an advanced workflow. So it will combine many different techniques and methods in order to obtain the desired results. But if you follow my steps, it will be very easy for you to create those type of video. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna enable this first part, and this part is named Restyle Image Transformation. We're gonna use the STXL models and the Controlnet model in order to change the style of one image. To do that, we're gonna need the first image that will be extracted from this video. So, as you can see here in the load image and depth map, we're gonna extract the first image from this video. Then it's gonna create a depth map based on this depth anything nodes. Depth map data is gonna be transferred here to the apply Controlnet, where we're gonna use the Controlnet Union Pro Max from the STXL that works with the STXL model. The main reason behind this STXL switch is for Flux model I did not obtain the desired results. In my images were not as much as good. However, with the STXL, we have a lot of LoRa's and a lot of style that we can apply. And as you can see here, I am using this Ghibli Studio style LoRa with this power LoRa loader. And here you can see for in the sampling and conditioning that we have a strength of 1, a CFG of 1.5, and steps of 10 or 11. Depends on the results, but it should work since we are using a lightning version of this Juggernaut checkpoint. For the prompt generation, I am using, as always, this Florence to run, which is very efficient in order to create this type of images and a good accurate prompt. And here you can see with these nodes, I add those keywords, which are the keyword related to this LoRa. Those keywords are called trigger words, which will allow you to apply the desired style. So once you have everything, the reference video, and make sure to go to this fast group bypasser and bypass the fun video. I put those nodes here in order for you to see it more easily. Then make sure to enable this input reference in order for you to get this input reference group. And from that, just click Q prompt. Okay, here we have our first result. So as you can see here, we managed to extract this image from the video. Here I selected the resolution that I want to work with in the future using this one model. Then we have our depth map, and based on this depth map we managed to create this type of image using the Ghibli style for this image. As you can see, the results is very accurate and stunning, and it sticks to the original video. We have all the major details and the position of the actor. Okay, once you have that image, make sure to save it. Then all you have to do is drag it and drop it here on this restyle first frame. So once you are satisfied with your image, make sure to disable this one and enable the one fun video. Here you can use the second group that is dedicated for video creation using the Controlnet. To do that, we have our load image here, which gonna be rescaled again. Then we have our input reference group, where we have our load video, the width and the height of the video, but also the length of your video. Here you can increase or decrease the length according to your PC configuration. However, I noticed that when you increase higher than this value, consistency of the final video will be compromised. So I strongly suggest you to use a lower value for the length. And later on I will show you how you can change longer video using some tricks I learned from this workflow. Okay, then our video data will be transferred here, where we have the depth anything preprocessor and the pose estimator preprocessor. So as you can see here, we managed to create this video based on the reference video, the depth anything preprocessor and the pose estimator preprocessor. Then those data are gonna be combined using this image blend node that will superpose both data created from those preprocessors. As you can see here, we have the depth anything, and on the top of that we have the pose estimator. And by combining both preprocessor, you will manage to create more accurate and stunning results for your video. So that is one of the main advantages using this Controlnet 1 video model. We also have this auto prompt section here, where it's gonna create a prompt based on this first image. And here I will show you the main notes behind all this Controlnet video using the one fun model. First, let's start with the model. As you can see, we have a new model here, which we named by the one fun 13 billion parameters. I put every link on this notes here, so you don't have to bother yourself too much with it. Once downloaded, it will be combined with this skip layer guidance and the 1T cache for major optimization. It will grant you the best speed and performance for this model. And of course, it will also depend on your PC configuration. As you can see, we also have the clip H vision, which will allows us to use the first image as reference. And all those nodes are connected here into this one fun control to video. Here we have the positive and the negative prompt, the VAE, the clip vision, and the start image. The start image is gonna be this first image that we created earlier, this Ghibli style image, and the video will start generating data based on this first image. We also have the control video that we created using this Controlnet groups, that one. Then we have the data related to our resolution and the length. So once everything is plugged here, we're gonna transfer the data to the key sampler, where you can see that we have a CFG of 5 and the steps of 20. So if you can increase your steps, I strongly recommend you to go to 25. However, if you obtain bad results, you can decrease the strength of you can decrease the value of your steps because sometimes 20 steps is necessary to create consistent results. The video then is gonna be decoded and combined here. As we know, those model can't create a high frame rate video generation. So to fix that, we have the frame interpolation group, where it's gonna increase the frame of your video. Then we have the upscaling pass, the first one and the second one. And based on your factor here, you can create high resolution or low resolution video according to your VRAM. And the last one, it's not a necessary group, since it will create three major video: the reference video, the preprocessor video, and the results video in order for you to see the difference between your videos. Okay, I also noticed that if you try to generate higher length video, it will not succeed to obtain the desired results. So to do that, you can just play here with the skip first frames. For example, here I created a video of length of 86. All you have to do is go and type in here 86. This way it will automatically separate the video into two parts. The first part is gonna be the one that we created earlier, and the second part it's gonna be this video. So all you have to do here is create another image based on using this first group. This image is gonna be transformed using the Ghibli style group. Don't worry yourself about the consistency, since we have the control after generate for the key sampler set to fixed. So it will create the same style of images. Then you will have to repeat the process again in order to create the second video. And finally, you can use both video using video editing software in order to combine both of them. So this way you will be able to create a longer video using this stylization technique. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please push the like button for me, subscribe to my channel, leave me some comments down below, and you can also become a member of my Patreon, where you can get early access of my workflow and other advantage related to AI video and image generation. So if you want to encourage me to do more video tutorial and amazing works, please subscribe to my Patreon channel. And don't forget to watch my other video tutorial about ComfyUI. Thank you.